In this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve financial freedom by following a simple formula that anyone can apply. The formula is invest more, spend less, and earn passive income. Sounds easy, right? Well, it's not as easy as it sounds, but it's definitely possible if you are willing to learn and take action. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to use this formula to create your own wealth plan and start living the life you want. But before we dive into the details of the formula, let me ask you a question. Do you know how much money you need to retire comfortably? Most people don't have a clue. They just hope that their pension or Social Security will be enough to cover their expenses. But that's a risky assumption, especially in today's uncertain economy. According to a recent study by Fidelity Investments, the average 65-year-old couple in the U.S. will need about $315,000 to cover their healthcare costs alone in retirement. That's not even counting other expenses like housing, food, travel, entertainment, etc. And that's assuming they live until 85. What if they live longer? What if they face unexpected emergencies or inflation? What if they want to leave some money for their children or grandchildren? You see, relying on someone else to take care of your retirement is not a smart strategy. You need to take control of your own financial future. And that's why you need to learn how to grow your wealth and live off your investments. So how do you grow your wealth and live off your investments? Well, let me give you an example of someone who did it successfully. His name is John Bogle, and he is the founder of Vanguard Group, one of the largest and most respected investment companies in the world. John Bogle started investing when he was just a teenager. He saved up his money from his newspaper delivery job and bought his first stock at age 16. He continued to invest throughout his life, following a simple philosophy: buy low-cost index funds and hold them for the long term. He avoided chasing after hot stocks or market trends. He ignored the noise and hype of Wall Street. He focused on the fundamentals and the long-term performance of his portfolio. And he reinvested his dividends and capital gains to compound his returns over time. By doing this, John Bogle was able to grow his wealth from nothing to over $80 million by the time he died at age 89. And he did it without working for anyone else or depending on anyone else for his income. He lived off his investments and enjoyed a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. He also donated millions of dollars to various causes and charities that he cared about. He was a true example of financial freedom. Now you might be thinking, that's great for John Bogle, but what about me? I don't have millions of dollars to invest. I don't have decades of experience in investing. I don't have access to the best investment tools and advice. How can I grow my wealth and live off my investments? Well, the good news is that you don't need any of those things to succeed in investing. You just need to follow some basic principles that have been proven to work for millions of people around the world. And these principles are not based on my opinion or speculation. They are based on solid research and data from reputable sources like Morningstar, Yale University, Harvard Business School, and many others. These principles are: start investing as early as possible. Invest consistently and regularly. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes. Minimize your fees and taxes. Avoid emotional decisions and market timing. Have a long-term perspective. If you follow these principles, you will be able to grow your wealth and live off your investments regardless of your income level, age, or background. But why should you care about growing your wealth and living off your investments? What's in it for you? Well, let me tell you what's in it for you. It's not just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to do what you love, when you love, with whom you love. Freedom to pursue your passions, hobbies, and interests. Freedom to travel the world and explore new cultures and experiences. Freedom to spend more time with your family and friends. Freedom to make a positive impact on the world and leave a legacy. Freedom to live your life on your own terms. That's what growing your wealth and living off your investments can give you. And that's what I want for you.